What are you drinking over there? That's not a Kickstarter, is it? I don't want you dancing in the middle of class. I've seen that commercial like 1,000 times. My wife hates the dog every time it comes on. She cannot stand it. All right. I did not see the Nationwide. Let's not talk about it. Okay. All right. Yo, this just a couple rules, guys. If you see an exponential equation and it's got an exponent that's not just x or whatever the variable is that we question, then that's going to be u. So u in this case has to be 3 over x. Okay? Because you're not going to learn how to integrate e to anything except for e to the u. So it has to become e to the u somehow. So u is 3 over x, which means du by power rule, remember 3 over x is really 3x to the negative 1. So when you derive that, you're going to get negative 3x to the negative 2, which just puts an x squared in the denominator. And oh my gosh, we happen to have an x squared in the denominator. Okay? So the only thing we need for our du is a negative 3 in the numerator. So I'm just going to go ahead and just drop a negative 3 in here, which means that we need to put a negative 1/3 out front. And then all of this, let's go ahead and highlight it. Thank you, technology. This down here, negative 3 dx, that's all going to become du. Right? Right. So this becomes negative 1/3. The integral of e to the 3 over x is now e to the u. And du, remember we said, is that special package that has everything else that's inside of it. And then that becomes an integral that we can do, which is e to the u. So you get negative 1/3 e to the u, but that's just negative 1/3 e to the 3 over x plus c. Cool. That was number something. 73, 351. There's limits on that integral, gang, but I told you not to worry about those right now. I just want you to be able to anti-derive.